Would you rather eat a bowl of vomit or lick a hobo's foot?
Hobos?
Foot. You know?
Second one.
Vomit क्या किसका vomit? खुद का अगर हो तो
किसी और का.
खुद का vomit. Second one is better.
खाना तो नहीं पड़ेगा तो second one भी.
Oh my god. What is the second one?
Lick a hobo's foot.
No. I can't.
You know what's hobo, right?
The second one.
I will like to eat vomit.
Would you be the first person to climb Mount Everest or be the first to go to the moon?
Go to the moon. I rather go to the moon.
Would you rather be forced to wear wet socks for rest of your life or be allowed to wash your hair only once a year?
The socks one.
You'll wear wet socks for entire life?
Yeah, it's fine.
The second one.
भिजा हुआ मौजा जिंदगी वाला गाना.
कौन सा वाला? Okay, two.
Would you rather watch your oldest teacher in porno or your ex?
Obviously. Yes.
Would you rather watch your oldest teacher in a pornograph or your ex-girlfriend?
Old teacher.
Oldest teacher.
Oldest teacher. Yeah, obviously ex.
Ex.
Would you rather never shave again or never brush your teeth again?
I think I didn't brush my teeth today also.
Never shave again or never brush your teeth again.
Never shave again and
Never brush your teeth again.
never brush your teeth again.
First one. Why should I shave actually?
Wax.
Oh, wax. Yeah. No.
Wax or brush it?
Brush once in a year.
No, never brush your teeth again.
No. First one.
Never shave again. कम से कम किसी के पास जाकर कोई भगाएगा तो नहीं.
Would you rather have finger as a tongue or tongues as fingers?
Taste कैसे करेंगे यार?
I like to do both. The finger one.
So you'll have your finger as a tongue.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, nice.
मतलब ऐसे करके काम करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं वो आप
Depend करता है वो.
वो दिन दूर नहीं है कि करना पड़ेगा. So tongue as fingers.
Tongue as fingers.
Okay.
Tongue as finger.
Tongue as finger.
Finger as tongues or tongues as finger. Oh, it's quite confusing. Yes. Tongues as finger. Okay, tongue. Yeah. It's quite confusing.
Okay.
Like
Fingers as tongue
Okay.
or tongue as finger.
finger as tongues.
Would you have your body found in a pile of sex toys or have everyone you know use your browsing history?
Browsing history is kind of dangerous. So I go for the first one.
Would you rather find true love or win the lottery?
Win the lottery, of course.
A while ago you were talking about your girlfriend, man.
I can get it anytime after money.
Yeah, true love. Because I'm that kind of person who is seeking for true love actually.
तुमको देखे ना अभी.
ना.
Win the lottery.
Okay. Give up your favorite food forever or give up sex forever.
Give up food for.
Sex forever.
Food. Sex is life, yeah. No one can give up on that.
Would you have diarrhea for 3 months or have mosquito beside you when you sleep for 3 months?
I have a mosquito beside me. I hate mosquitoes. I hate diarrhea. Now which to choose? Diarrhea.
Obviously diarrhea. Yeah.
मच्छर का काम.
कलकत्ता में बहुत ज़्यादा मच्छर है तो इसलिए.
Diarrhea.
Diarrhea.
Yeah, mosquito. I hate mosquito. I don't know what the reason behind this. The invention of mosquitoes by God. I don't know why.
Diarrhea.
Would you rather drown or die of thirst?
Drawn.
Okay, would you have sex with a goat and no one would know? Or
My friend.
or
Seriously. Yeah, it's super private. I can't tell you, but it is rare. Somebody had sex with that goat.
okay. So your question is, would you rather have sex with a goat and no one would know, or not have sex with a goat but have everyone think you did?
Last one is good.
Oh, you let everyone think. Even she will think that,
But
and she'll be confident that you
चलेगा
did.
फिर भी या तो सोचेगा तो मतलब एक्चुअली तो नहीं तो किए तो नहीं ना तो कोई हाँ तो अगर थप्पा लग जाए तो अगर नहीं किए तो कोई उसमें मतलब नहीं है बोलने तो किए हाँ कोई बोलने से क्या मतलब है कोई ना बोलने से कुछ हो जाए ना
It's better to do that.
Yeah, would you rather eat 100 grams of butter daily or wipe your ass every time with a sandpaper?
First one. What do you say?
Eat 100 grams of butter daily.
100 grams of butter.
100 gram butters
100 grams of butter. By the way, we are not Americans. We don't buy for this.
Okay, would you rather be offered job in porn industry or job at strip club?
Job at strip club.
Porn industry.
industry much better than strip
Who will strip like that?
porn industry also same no
But ठीक है, उसमें पैसा भी उतना ही मिलता है ना।
Would you rather be a cow or a chicken?
Cow.
Obviously cow. Why cow?
खा लेते हैं यार लोग। खुद चिकन खाता है। इसीलिए तो बोला।
Okay. Would you be a Batman or Superman?
Superman. Batman or Superman? Superman. Not man actually. Superwoman.
Superman.
Why not Batman?
He ain't got no power. He is just rich. This is his power.
Would you rather smell like eggs when you burp or have a green cloud appear when you fart?
Green
Green cloud.
when I fart. Because I won't fart only.
First one.
That one. Oh, this is so messy. I can't. The first one.
Okay, smell like eggs.
Yeah.